Now that we know all the curves that are close, let us double check curves analysis planar. Let us double check how many out of these 3 curves are planar. So let me connect and we can copy paste this panel over here and look at this. Oh, look at that. True, false, true. So now we can go back to this patch, get all the curves that are close, the list, and pass this new pattern, yes, false, yes, to the dispatch. And now we already have the list of the only 2 curves that are close, but at the same time planar. So we can go to display and look at those 2. And we can add a planar surface and paint them. So how come that this one is not planar? Let's take a look. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Somebody lift the vertex. So one more time, this is a great opportunity to double check your geometry